My Disney Stars and Friends 2, Lessons 5A, 5B. Friends, friends, friends. Share, share, share. Help, help, help. Kind, kind, kind. Care, care, care. Story time. Olaf's sunny day. Story time. Olaf's sunny day. Olaf, Olaf. Anna, Anna. Elsa, Elsa. Anna. Oh, good morning, Olaf. Oh, good morning, Olaf. What's the weather like today? What's the weather like today? Olaf. Hello, Anna. It's sunny. Hello, Anna. It's sunny. Elsa, let's go on a picnic. Let's go on a picnic. Olaf, hooray! I love my friends. Hooray! I love my friends. Olaf, oh no, it's rainy. Oh no, it's raining. Olaf, hey look, it's windy. Hey look, it's windy. Olaf, it's sunny again. It's sunny again. Elsa, don't worry, Olaf. I can help. Don't worry, Olaf. I can help. Olaf, thank you, Elsa. Thank you, Elsa. We play together. I love my friends. We play together. I love my friends. I don't share my toys. I don't love my friend. I don't share my toys. I don't love my friend. We love each other. I love my friends. We love each other. I love my friends. Awesome! You did it!